Hey guys, the 2021 Tesla Model 3 is equipped with a rainproof rubber strip in the front trunk. As of now, the Model Y still does not come equipped with a rainproof rubber strip in the front trunk, but all 4 slots for the rainproof rubber strips have been left out. Next, I will conduct a simple experiment to demonstrate just how important the rainproof rubber strips in the front trunk really are. During heavy rain, water will flow in, and what we observe is that most of it will accumulate on the air intake filter. When driving and with the air conditioning turned on, rainwater can easily enter through the air intake, even flowing into the engine compartment. The high corrosiveness of rainwater can damage your mechanical and electrical components. Over time, dust will also accumulate along with rainwater, forming a buildup.
Oh God, please, no! No!
When you install the rainproof rubber strips in the front trunk, no matter how heavy the rain is, they can block up to 98% of the rainwater. Okay, let's take a look at how to install the rainproof rubber strips. Open our parcel and take out the sectional rainproof rubber strips. Because each section of the rainproof rubber strip is interlocked, the upper buckles are designed to fit into the designated slots according to the original car's specifications. Each section of the rainproof rubber strip is secured with 2 layers of 3 meters adhesive, ensuring 100% waterproofing. First, use a towel to gently wipe and clean the area, then try to remove the buckle from the slot. This slot was not present before the 22nd model. Peel off the red adhesive strip from the top of the product. This product is designed to fit all sizes and dimensions of the original factory model. Understood. The specific shape of the rainproof rubber strips matches the original factory model. It is recommended to start the installation by first assembling and installing the 2 pieces on the left side. Align the rainproof rubber strips with the slots and press firmly to insert them. After installation, it is necessary to press the rainproof rubber strips with your hand for 3-5 seconds to ensure a firm adhesion. Take out the rubber strip and observe its direction carefully. Insert it from the right side. Push it in little by little along the track. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe and give it a thumbs up.